Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate, chemical graduate, electronics graduate, instrumentation graduate. So CSE and IT people can also make use of it, and civil graduates. So all these people can make use of this video. Kindly don't skip this video. It's very important notification for most of the B.Tech or diploma graduates. So this is the official website of the Tata Steel. So I will be providing the link in the description. Once you click the link, you can read the advertisement or recruitment process which they released. So now they are released an advertisement for aspiring engineer program 2022. So Tata Steel is seeking application from interested candidate for the position of engineer trainee in the areas of operation, maintenance and engineering and projects. So program details are the selected candidates will be placed as an engineer trainee during the first year, and the trainee will be subjected to evaluation on regular basis during the training period. On successful completion of training, they will be considered for fixed term employment of 3 years as an assistant manager at Tata Steel. So he or she must have completed or should be a final year student of BE, B.Tech or BSc Engineering in following discipline: civil and structural, ceramic, chemical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical and mechatronics, industrial and production. So candidates who have completed 3 years of diploma and directly join in second year of engineering, or who are in final year, can apply and eligible. Must have attended full time in UGC approved career program, campus program. For general candidates, must have secured 6.5 CGPA, and for transgender few relaxation is given. So preference will be given for candidates from Jharkhand and Odisha. So age limit should not be maximum of 30 years as on 1st July 2022, and some relaxation is given for other people. So engineer trainee will be offered a stipend of 30,000 per month during the period of 1 year, and engineer trainee will be covering medical claim scheme around 2.5 lakh per annum and coverage of 6,000 per annum. Post successful completion of training will be having 6 lakh per annum. So Tata Steel is giving an equal opportunity for employer and encourage candidates from diverse background. So physically challenged people can also apply. Services of the selected candidates will be subjected to transfer to any division. All selected candidates will undergo background verification as per the company norms. Candidates who are found ineligible as per the laid down criteria means you will be rejected at any point of time. And Tata Steel employees on permanent role are not eligible for this post, and no reimbursement related to travel will be given by the company. So link for application form is given here. You have to click on it, and last date for application is 10/4/2022. You have to apply before that from the official website. Eligible candidates will undergo online technical test followed by cognitive test. Shortlisted candidates will be invited for interview either in person or on a virtual medium. So important note is the eligible candidates will the communication from Tata Steel will be through career@tatasteel.com mail ID only. Tata Steel or its hiring partner do not ask candidate to deposit money for any job. Tata Steel is not associated with any external agency to conduct any interview and make offer for you on behalf of them. The online test will be conducted tentatively in the third week of April 2022. If you like this video means kindly share the video to mechanical graduates, electrical graduate, electronics graduate, instrumentation, civil, chemical graduates. So all these department people can make use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with our channel Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.